Hi guys, happy holidays. I think it's about 2 to 3 more days till Christmas. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it yourself. Shea butter, lotion, or cream. So what I did is I got shea butter from Etsy. It's 100% pure organic, raw, unrefined shea butter. And the origin is from Ghana. So with that, I got about 10 pounds, which was about 2 of these, and it cost about $40.99 on Etsy. So then that's what we're going to use today. Then on top of that, we're gonna have some coconut oil, some oils here from Cliganic, peppermint oil, and orange oil or citrus oil. And then some sun essential oils, that is lavender. We'll have the droplet here. And then on top of that, we got bio oil. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I put it in and it's been about 10 minutes or less, I think, something like that. About 5 to 10 minutes. And this is how it looks like now when it's definitely melted. Okay, so now we're going to put coconut oil in here. You can put as much as you want. I'm just gonna put, I think, maybe 4 spoonfuls of these in here. But you can put as much or as little as you want. So I'm just gonna put ahead and, well, these are a big cup, but yeah. Well, I'm just gonna put the whole thing actually. Yeah, so I'm just winging this. You can also make your own recipe as you'd like as well. I'm gonna add some lavender. Yet again, I'm not professional at this, so I'm just gonna wing this again. I personally like lavender, so I'm just gonna use the dropper. I don't know how many drops this is, but maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this whole drop in here. Okay. Then I'm going to stir it. And the coconut oil was room temperature, so you don't want it to be too cold because it'll be a struggle putting it in here. So we're gonna mix that in. Then we're gonna add some bio oil. That's what I like to put in it personally. So I'll put some drops of bio oil there. Then we're gonna add some peppermint oil. And I'm gonna put maybe 4 drops. Then maybe 4 drops as well of the citrus. And yeah, we're just gonna stir it. Okay, so with this, I had to freeze it, so the rest of the batch is still in the freezer right now. So this is how it looks so far with the mixer here. So let me just try to mix this. Hopefully it's not too messy. So yeah, I think you mix about, like, for the 10 minutes so that I can get really smooth with this type of consistency, because I've done it before and it can be very pebbly. So yeah, so that's what you do so far. Okay, so I'm going to use this device here to put it in our container. So we got these at Michael's. They were like $5.99. They come in like 6-pack, I think. So what I'm going to do is just take a spoon and put it in here. You can just put it in by hand, but you know, I'm a little bit more particular with this. So I'm just gonna put that in there so that when we put it in, it's gonna be a nice, smooth way to put it in the jar here. And you can even use mason jars. I just got this because at the time that's what they had left at Michael's. So yeah, well, just be careful though, because this can get pretty messy. So as you can see, this is definitely overflow, but you don't have to have that much if you have a bigger container. But yeah, that's it.